Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech here. In this I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the iQOO 9 SE device versus OnePlus Nord 2 device. So this is the exact question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asked me to do speed test and RAM management test comparison between these both phones. So let's see friends which phone will be having what kind of speed test and the RAM management test. So first let's do the basic reboot test between these both devices exactly. So both are exact 8GB variants which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstrations. Now we're going to find out exactly which will be having what kind of speeds and what is a RAM management between the FunTouch UI versus this Oxygen and the ColorOS in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So we'll be able to see exactly the speeds. And during this process, I'll try to use the 5 applications and 5 games. So we're going to find out exactly using these 5 applications and 5 games, how will be the RAM management? Is it kind of good or not? In this OnePlus Nord device. So let me quickly unlock. Both phones should be connected to same Wi-Fi network exactly. So right now I'm trying to do the same thing. So both phones will be connected to the same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network exact. As you can see friends, all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management as well. Now let's start with the applications one by one, starting with the first application, which is a Chrome application. So let's start with that. And during this process I did disable the Ultra game mode and the game mode. Monster mode, high performance mode, nothing is enabled. So Ultra game mode is also disabled. You can clearly see friends. Now let's start the test. And let's try to open apple.com. You can observe the loading speeds, how both phones are loading in terms of the loading speeds. Here's the touch sampling rate. Let's keep this in the background as a RAM management. So Amazon application, and let's open some random mobile phone and Flipkart. Let's keep this Narzo 50A, and here's a speed test application. Let's do the speed test. Let's see friends what will be the speeds using the same Wi-Fi connection between these both phones exactly. This is the same Wi-Fi network which I connected right now. So is the speed test results, and let's keep this results in the page in the background is a RAM management. Next is a Asphalt 9 game. So let's see friends right now the games, which phone can actually open the games faster in terms of the comparison between these both phones exactly. And Snapdragon 870 and the Dimensity 1200 chipset in the OnePlus Nord 2. And here comes the winner in the Asphalt 9 game. I'm not sure what's happening, but it's connected to Wi-Fi network, but it still says network issue, I guess. Yeah, finally it got logged in. And next is Battlefield's mobile game. So this is the latest version which I have installed, 1.9.0. You can observe the loading speeds of the Battlefield's mobile game, and the main point is that RAM management. So we need to focus on the RAM management slightly more. So we'll try to observe what's going on as well with the RAM management. So finally, and let's open the Candy Crush. And stake balls. Most of the games are like kind of pretty fast opening in the iQOO and SE. That's because of the Snapdragon 888 processor, obviously. Now let's check the RAM management, what's going on with the RAM management. Let's start with the first application, Chrome application. So Chrome application, as you can see, it's completely got reloaded. So it's not staying in the background RAM management. Even the touch sampling rate application also not staying in the background. Amazon is also didn't stay in the background RAM management. You can clearly see what's happening with the RAM management overall in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Clearly, it's not that great and good as well when compared with the FunTouch UI at this moment. Let's check the games. Battlefield's mobile game. the Snapdragon 888 processor, so it's there in the background, it's not there in the background. And Candy Crush, again, it's not there in the background at all. So you can clearly see, friends, even the games are also not there. I think only one game, and Temple Run is not there. So Asphalt 9 game and the Stake Balls, both games were there in the background RAM management, but definitely in terms of the RAM management, iQOO 9 SE has got slightly very good when compared with the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So same thing is happening with the OnePlus Nord 2 from the beginning of using this device. The RAM management is not that great because of integration of Oxygen OS and the Color OS. If there is only Oxygen UI in this device, that will be really good, but that's not the case. Because of Color OS, it's getting slow as well. So meanwhile, signing off, friends, thank you for watching. Until next of more updates, and bye.